Paniman Beach is located at a cove in Puerto Azul, Ternate Cavite. It is surrounded by green forest and the place thrives with different species of trees and wildlife. On the way to Paniman, we saw wild monkeys, eagles, and different types of birds where you don't normally see in the city. Paniman is one of the many cove beaches in Ternate. Some famous ones are Pico de Loro, Marine Base Beach, Patungan Beach, and many others. This beach is perfect for kids and the elderly folks. The waves are calm, there were no rocks in the water, and the shoreline is pretty nice. Even 15 meters from the sand, the water is still shallow. Please watch until the end. There's a bonus clip of wild monkeys we saw on the road. A glimpse of nearby coves, Cavite Beach, and Puerto Azul Golf Club.
Yung papunta sa mansyon, yung sa abandonan. Kasi